The hotel full last night. Was or were? Was, not were. One rule, 20 questions. Most people don't get them all. Let's find out. Quick screenshot. This is the only rule you need. Don't look at the last word. Look at the subject. Round 1. Was or were at the hotel. Past tense, only 2 choices. Don't overthink. Round 1. The room clean yesterday. Was. Say it with me. The room was clean yesterday. Number 2. The guests at the pool were. Say it with me. The guests were at the pool. She at reception. Was. She was at reception. We on the 4th floor. We were. We were on the 4th floor. Number 5. The lift out of order. Was. Say it with me. The lift was out of order. Good start. Don't relax. Round 2. Was or were at the airport. Same rule, only 2 choices. The flight delayed. Was. The flight was delayed. Number 7. The passengers boarding. Were. The passengers were boarding. Number 8. Most people get this one wrong. A group of tourists outside. Was. A group of tourists was outside. Number 9. They at Gate 12. They were. They were at Gate 12. Number 10. He ready to board. He was. Say it with me. He was ready to board. Still easy? Let's see. Round 3. Was or were on tour. Last positive round. Same rule. Number 11. The guide waiting outside. Was. The guide was waiting outside. Number 12. The tickets included. Were. The tickets were included. Number 13. It a 2-hour tour. Was. Say it with me. It was a 2-hour tour. Number 14. The museums closed. Were. The museums were closed. Number 15. The view incredible. Was. The view was incredible. Alright, now it changes. Stay sharp. Mini round. Wasn't or weren't. Was not, were not. The room ready. Wasn't. The room wasn't ready. Number 17. The bags on the plane. Weren't. Were not. Say it with me. The bags weren't on the plane. Number 18. He on the plane. Wasn't. He wasn't on the plane. Alright, you're doing really well. 18 done, 2 more to go. Boss level. This one catches everyone. Don't rush this. Everyone on the tour tired. Was. Everyone equals he, she, it equals was. Sounds wrong, but it's right. Everyone, someone, nobody, always was. Say it with me. Everyone on the tour was tired. Alright, now listen carefully. Double trap. Mistake number 1. The hotels was full. Wrong. The hotels were full. More than one equals they equals were. Say it with me. The hotels were full. Mistake number 2. The flight weren't on time. Wrong. The flight wasn't on time. One flight equals it equals wasn't. Say it with me. The flight wasn't on time. So, how many did you get right? 18 to 20? Excellent. Under 18? You're doing well. 14 to 17? Good. Under 14? Watch this video again. Let me know in the comments how you did. I read every comment and I always respond. I'm curious to know how you did. Subscribe for more real travel English with me, Ruben. Thanks for watching. See ya in the next video.